Eternal.
the
We are
environment.
born in the lap of nature and finally blend with it as we depart. Nature makes our life colorful. Nature is a home for us. This gives everything it can to serve us and never ask for anything in return. It is the best teacher and source of inspiration for all. Nature surrenders its life to serve others. Without it, life is beyond imagination. It helps you in every aspect of life. It gives us the valuable oxygen. It helps us in every aspect of life. It gives us the valuable oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and shelters in its arms. At times we feel depressed, defeated, and broken. It refreshes us with new positive energy. Nature has proved its importance in today's world. Earth is perhaps But nowadays, where people do not understand the importance of our environment and keep on destroying, if it goes ahead, then the food storage as the lands become barren and the oceans become fishless. Pollution will eventually become unmanageable and affect our health. Rising temperature may be too much for all living things on the planet. Earth is perhaps the only planet with an environment and we all share it. But if they inherit such a polluting environment, life will be misery for that. While developing of technologies for the benefit of man, it is also essential to simultaneously to study their impact on the environment. So the cyclical process that nature has designed for resource conservation are not affected. In recent years, the concerns of the concerns of humanity is awakened the need to protect environment and preserve the environment. It is utmost important that people are aware not only the problems but also of the role they must play to protecting the environment. So we should plant much more trees to protect our environment and also conserve the water and other resources. After all, we are human. We should protect environment for getting shelter and oxygen and many other things. If the video was feels good and aware, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for regular update. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.